Greetings, everyone. You probably already remember this last time. I've already done a episode where I showed off my card collection. Well, tonight I'm going to show you how much I've updated my card collection as well. You remember cards like these from my previous unboxing episodes? Well, there are some of them that I haven't gotten to show off in the past. So, let's get started. You remember the ones I've shown off, like the Hisuian Typhlosion, Zamazenta, Deoxys. But there are the Digimon cards like Agumon, Torapiamon, Cordramon, Wormmon, Wargrowlmon, Beedramon, Paildramon, Pelidramon, Volctramon, and Plesiamon. There's also Metallic Dramon, one of the cards I've recently been trying to draw up. Anyways, there's Gilmon, Snow Agumon, Commandramon, there's Jazzle Richmon, I've drawn that, Majuramon, Flareizamon, Patamon, Vidramon, Azulongmon, Dormicmon, Chaosdramon, Ralmon. Flareizamon is something I'm going to draw up real soon. There's Dino Beamon, Parasaurmon, Vorvamon, Crabmon. Let's see what else. There's X-Tyrannomon, Larvamon, Airdramon, Jazzamon, Sonorizamon, Wingdramon, Cyberdramon from Digimon Tamers, Entmon, Groundramon, Ponmumon, Godamon, Jazzardmon, Darktyrannomon, Babetomon, Chris Paildramon. There's Origin Form Palkia V-Star, one wanting to show you that, and its other form. Dialga and Palkia have new forms in the Arceus arc. And when I got this box, all I got was a Hisuian Decidueye. I'd be happy to show you guys it, and I'd be happy to show them and to you guys. Anyway, you remember Lugia V-Star? I've shown off him. Origin Form Dialga, Regidrago, Origin Form Dialga V-Star, Chandelure VMAX, Ice Rider Calyrex. There's Achillesmon, Koraidon EX. There's a Pokemon. That's a Pokemon I've been wanting to get my hands on ever since I got Scarlet and Violet. I got Skeleturge, Gaussmon, Golemon, Shoutmon King version. There's Volcarona, Cubimon, Renamon. I got some of these cards from EternalCon. High Vision Monotamon, I got that now. Skull Knightmon, Mighty Axe Mode, Kakuamon. Skull Knightmon, Mighty Axe Mode is a Digimon that I swear I'll draw up real soon. It's basically one of my favorites. We got Spidops, Sendiramon, Damimon, another Bebetomon. There's Wisemon, Shoutmon, Yasamon, Chiyu. I got that from the Koraidon box from my EternalCon thing. I didn't get to show you it because of, well, my mobile device broke down, but I got a new one. There's Gainmon, Ekakimon, a Digimon I've been wanting to draw up, even though it's a shape of a pencil. Aerodactyl, the strongest Pokemon in the universe, Arceus. Annihilate, one of my Paldea's favorite Pokemon. And lastly, Gigantamax Pikachu, one of the rarest Pokemon in my deck and in Pokemon history. I finally got my hands on one. It's amazing. And I'm proud of it. Remember I drew it? Anyway, that is how you draw. Those are all the cards that I've recently got updated. My favorite one is Arceus and Annihilate, and especially Koraidon. Anyways, I've got more cards on the way soon. I'll show you how much I updated my collection real soon. And one day, hopefully I'll get to complete this book. That's all for now, guys. Good night. Stegosaurus, see you later.